Hello. On my marketing for my six-figure funnel, one of my favorite free advertising resources to do this with. Now, I don't have a lot of free advertising resources on there. There are a couple. It's just when you do free advertising resources, you got to realize it takes time, okay? If you have time, this is a very good resource to use, but it still takes time for people to opt in, begin to trust you, to know, like, and trust, and then they will, some will upgrade, some will not, okay? But this is one of my favorite. There are others that are out there, okay? And this is Traffic Ad Bar. And so what you want to do is, if you haven't registered, go ahead and register. And you see you can just add your link right here, and then what it does, it will ask you to do to set up like a little ad for it. And here is my ad. It's the link is up here. They ask you for your URL first. Carol.ws is what I use, and of course there's several capture pages you can choose from. There's 15 streams of income inside this funnel. That is true. And the system is automated to where it works for you 24/7. So you can play with that, any way you'd like. And then once you're done and you have it added, you just click here to earn points. And for how many ever points and clicks you click is the amount of what will your website will be viewed. But understand, a lot of these people that are on this traffic exchange, have their own businesses that they want to advertise, that they want to grow. But a lot of them, as you see, are doing it wrong because they're not using a funnel or a capture page system. Okay, so as you see, this comes up here. You have hits here that you can look at and see, and then you just simply click on one of these links, and it will take you to the other page. And here it's taken us to the other page, and it's going on a countdown. My computer's with the Screen Pal that I'm using, but that's what it is. You just click on these, and as you can see, if you do 15 minutes here, 15 minutes there, do that like 3 times throughout the day. You kind of figure, you eat 3 times, 15 minutes this time, 15 minutes later. If you can sit and do a half hour, this does get a little tedious, but out of the free traffic, this is one of the better ones. Out of the traffic exchanges, this is one of the better ones. I do love mailers. I think those do really well, especially if you can get one-time upgrades and send out your traffic. Okay. So free advertising for you is another good one. I upgraded one time and it got myself a diamond membership. So now you have to click to get solo ads, which is similar to this, but you're sending out a solo ad. So if it may take you, depending how much you click, a few days to build enough credits to send out a solo ad. But solo ads are really good, and that's, you pay one time and then you're upgraded to the diamond member, so that then you can just click ads and either not buy traffic or wait for commissions to come in and then buy more traffic from free advertising for you. It's good. Solo ads are the best type of traffic if you want to go quickly. That's why wholesale premium traffic I have listed that takes you a little quicker through this. Okay, and that's just you send them your link, they write the ad up for me. I don't even ask, I don't even put an ad in, they do it. Traffic comes, I get opt-ins. Sometimes you get sales right away, sometimes it takes some time. Okay, but that's why we have 300 days worth of email series. Okay, because sometimes it takes time, and those 300 days loop. So once it finishes that last day, it loops back to the first email, not the one immediate. Oh, and this is something else it does, is that you choose your bonus. I always choose hits because that's what I want. I want hits. And it's not going to let me do this. Oh, there, it did. Okay. And then you can scroll down here. There's other links on here, or you can just click. The point is you're clicking every time you're clicking. When it counts down, you're having somebody, it shows you when the person looks right here at your page. Okay, and I have a capture page that does really good. And here you can see, get my face out of the way here, that I have a special capture page right here. In the last 24 hours, it's gotten a couple opt-ins with just a couple hundred hits set. Now that's not a guarantee you're going to do the same. Sometimes I will send 500, 600, 700 hits and it doesn't get any opt-ins. It's just, who's on, when they're on. But a lot of times when you first pop on, if somebody's been waiting for your page to come up, they're like, oh, there it is, I'll opt in. So they opt in quick. And then you might surf a little bit more, and then you'll need to wait. That's why I say 15 minutes here, 15 minutes there, throughout the day. I think is a good, if you're doing 15 minutes 6 times, that's quite good, because you're, in the morning 15, 15, in the afternoon 15, 15, then in the evening 15, if you can do it. If you can't do it like that, if you can do it for a half hour a day, then do it for a half hour a day. The point is you need to do something. Okay, but that's what also my 7-day success plan takes you step by step on different things to do, and this is one of them. This would be my free advertising that I would suggest to use. Okay, God bless and take care.